Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to twirl pasta with the spoon. It's very easy, very simple. You can show your friends how Italian you are, but let's not waste any time. Let's dive right into it. Alrighty, so I got my pasta right here, and you can add a sauce of your preference or olive oil. I put olive oil, makes it a little easier to twirl, but basically all you want to do is grab your fork, put it in your dominant hand. I'm going to put it in my right hand. Then you're going to take the spoon, put it in your non-dominant hand, and basically put your spoon like so, get the fork right in the meat of it, right in the thick of it. Going to get a healthy amount of pasta like so. I'm just going to let me kind of mix it up a little bit. Got it right here. Put the fork right in the center of the spoon like so. Start twirling, a little slow. Then, as it's catching onto the fork, you're going to pick it up away from the plate, get the stragglers on there. Keep twirling till it gets all on there. You can get a little stragglers, it's all right, don't mind it. Still one bite, there you go. That's a healthy amount right there. There you go, that's how you twirl pasta with the spoon. So that's basically it. That's how you twirl pasta with a spoon. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't know how to do it, but I'm very glad you clicked on this video. I'm glad I taught you something new, hopefully. But be sure to like and subscribe, and of course, have a good rest of your day, and keep twirling that pasta.